This couple was approved. Paid the home loan costs to the attorneys. Signed everything. One credit card holiday in December. And the bank cancelled their dream house in January. If you don't know this one rule, it can happen to you. Here's how to protect yourself with pre-approval. What is a home loan pre-approval? Why it's your right. Pre-approval is not a loan. It's a conditional certificate saying based on your info today, we'll likely lend you this amount. Knowing how much you qualify for upfront makes house hunting easy. Bond origination service is free and so is the pre-approval. And there are two ways to get it. Both have advantages and disadvantages. Let's do both. Documents: employed, self-employed, rental income earner. Step 1, gather your docs. Full-time employed, 3 months payslips, 3 months bank statements, South African ID. Self-employed and entrepreneurs, 6 months bank statements, proof of personal income. It can be a letter from an accountant, 2 years annual financial statements and ID copy. Rental income. A valid lease agreement plus 6 months bank statements showing the exact rental amount as the lease agreement. If you intend to purchase a property in a company, 6 months business bank statements must also be attached. Way 1, Bank Direct. Pros and cons. Way 1, apply direct to your bank or online. Advantage: it's quick and you are going itself. Disadvantage: it's based only on what you declared. If you miss a debt or type your income wrong, the pre-approval is wrong. And it's only from one bank. No comparison. Still, it's your right to apply direct if you choose. Way 2, Bond Originator. What and how? Way 2, use a bond originator. What is that? A bond originator is a person or a company that has a contract with all the banks to submit home loan applications on behalf of the buyer and earn a commission from the banks on registration of every successful application. They submit one application to multiple banks at the same time. These gives the home buyers an opportunity to compare different banks without going anywhere. For pre-approval, they check your bank statements, credit record, and income. They do an affordability assessment based on the information provided. Disadvantage: none for you. This is how you shop smart. Red flags: they check plus free tips before they apply. An originator checks for red flags. Here are 5. 1. Unpaid debit orders on your statement. 2. Not enough funds for monthly bank fees. 3. Account overdrawn without an overdraft. 4. Judgments or late payments on your credit record. 5. Net salary on payslip not matching bank deposit. Fix these first. And yes, your credit score changes monthly. No credit history often means lower score and higher interest rate. A small credit card, used well, builds your record. Once happy, they do an affordability assessment. Basic rule: home loan repayment uses up to 30% of gross monthly income. They also check expenses and credit score. Then you get a pre-approval certificate. What if your affordability assessment is negative? No worries, your bond originator will explain the credit report and ways to improve it. Reminder: a bond originator is not a financial advisor. Now, let's look at joint applications. Are you married in community of property? Both must submit their documents. Remember, this is not final approval. It's a budget tool. Now that story I mentioned. South African true story. Couple pre-approved. House found. Offer signed. Bond approved. Attorney paid. December holidays come. They use the credit card on holiday. January, bank rechecks. New debt found. Credit score dropped. Bank declined. Deal collapsed. Lesson from pre-approval: until the property registers in your name, do not take new debt. No car, no furniture, no credit card splurge. Your file is live until registration. Subscribe to Property 101's pre-approval saves heartbreak. It helps you and the agent search smart. If you're under debt review, financial institutions can't assist yet, focus there first. Build a relationship with a bond originator. They're property finance specialists and it costs you nothing. You made it this far, so you're serious. Comment, I am learning or pre-approval. Part 2 Monday, first home subsidy up to 169,000 Rand. Subscribe to Property 101 SA, make sure you don't miss it. Now let's do a quick summary to make sure that you are pre-approved for a home loan and successful bond registration. Check your bank statement regularly, avoid unpaid transactions. If you're earning commission or rental income, provide 6 months bank statements. Self-employed and companies, get 2 years financial statements. Your South African ID copy and proof of income. After pre-approval, don't take new debt. The more you know, the better you function, right? Good luck and happy house hunting.